tempted to get that going. Vito from Jersey is back.
Hey, this is Vito from Jersey.
Ciao, Vito.
And it's Carlo over there. Let me say hello to Carlo.
Ciao. Ciao tutti quanti. Buon Natale.
What do we got here? Show us the coffee that Chucky gave us. What is that? Remember,
it's an espresso mixed with some chocolate, mixed in with espresso. It's a strong coffee with chocolate mixed in. Warms you up.
Warms your cockles.
Warms the cockles and everything else around it. There we go.
All right, this is Vito from Jersey, and yeah, we turn on some music.
Leave it. I love that. Connie Francis. No, New Jersey gal singing.
Yeah, Vito from Jersey. We got Connie Francis. She's New Jersey. Poor thing, what happened to her, huh?
Yeah.
Everybody knows about that. But anyway, we got here, I got some nice sherry here. I got myself a Perdomo cigar. Okay? A Perdomo.
Bring it in there. I'm bringing it close. There we go.
This is from CI International. We drove up to Pennsylvania. Carlo bought a bunch of these. Oh, you just got the Gumazigam here.
The V cutter. You don't like the V cutter? I love the V cutter. You got to press hard and give it a quick slice. You want me to do it?
Non mi piace, geese. Non mi piace means I don't like it.
You want me to do it? You want me to do it?
That's it. Is that it?
That's it.
Looks like un fece tesoro. Para come un fece tesoro, the geese. What? Ma vaffanculo. See, I like to put my tongue on. Maybe if I go crossways the other way.
You give it to me, and I'll show you how it comes out.
Better?
No, give me my cigar. Where's my cigar?
Here.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah.
Salud.
Salud. Yeah. Getting close. You gotta press real hard and quick. That's how it comes out.
Okay, do mine. Do mine. Redo mine.
Yeah. There we go. Ready? That's better.
Let me see. I could get my tongue in there nice and easy.
Stars of the first decade.
See, otherwise you gotta cut the whole head of the cigar, like, because they're not rounded at the end. They're kind of flat at the end.
Okay, one thing I want to say now. Keep that on me, Carlo, right? You know how I talk about some things sometimes? You know what? You know what's really pissing me off? The way this country is allowing look at the newspapers. Look at the newspapers. Now, nobody's talking in the newspapers about the illegal immigration, 2,000, 3,000 of them coming in a day. A day. Illegal immigration. Nobody's saying that in the newspapers. Nobody's talking that Obama just sent 30,000 men over to Afghanistan. The man gets a Nobel Peace Prize and he has 2 wars going. Nobody's saying that in the newspaper. Nobody's talking about the health care issue. You know what they're talking about? Who Tiger Woods is boffing. Who cares? Could you tell me who gives 2 shits what Tiger Woods does? This man makes no what do we say, Carl? What's the word? It makes no
impact on your daily being. Nothing.
Who gives a shit? They're telling you, and guys are coming in the barbershop. Hey, Vito, you hear? 14 broads. He's Scott Olin. You know what? Who cares?
Scott Olin.
Yeah.
I like that.
Scott Olin.
Scott Olin. That's a good one.
Hey, Scott Olin.
I never heard a reporter tell Tiger, he'd come up to Tiger, hey, who you Scott Olin today?
Scott Olin, Tiger. I mean, come on, dude. Who cares what this man's doing? Tell me about my health care. Am I going to get health care? Are we going to stop the illegal immigration? What about these gangs? They're like controlling the prison. I can't believe it. They're talking on television. They're asking the warden, is it true that this gang, I don't want to even mention their names, are controlling the prisons? He says, yes. The guy says, you mean to tell me that you're admitting that a gang controls the prisons? He says, yeah, they allow them to have cell phones. He goes, I punish one, they get their people on the outside, I threaten my family. What did they do to John Dillinger years ago when America was America? What did they do with John Dillinger? He was coming out of the theater, the broad went like this. He's right here. Boom! They shot him. No stop. FBI, Bonnie and Clyde, everybody. So what did they do? They ambushed him. Babyface Nelson's in bed with a broad. The FBI comes in, get the broad out. Babyface Nelson's like that. They kill him. Machine Gun Kelly jumps out of his car, is running the field, stops, turns around, gets on his knees. Don't shoot, G-Man, don't. They kill him. Right? Basically what they were saying in those days, you want to rob banks in America? This is what happens. Now we got, oh, Maron. It's ridiculous. Yeah. Here, Carlo, what do you think?
Yeah, you're right on the money. The lawyers run the country. That's the problem. Insurance companies, lawyers, they control everything. That's it. That's why we're in this. Everything is litigated these days. That's why we're in the shape we're in. Nothing is clear cut, black and white. Everything has to be litigated. It takes years. You see some of these cases they have now. They go on for 10 years. Some of these trials. I mean, ridiculous. I'm on your side, Vito.
You don't want to hear about who Tiger Woods is doing a vatana job on. A vatana job, okay?
I just want to have my chocolate coffee mocha here and smoke my cigar and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's all I'm concerned with. Your family, my family, everybody healthy, that's all that matters. Salud.
We didn't even light up our cigars. We're going to light up our cigars on yours. All right, hold on for a minute. Hold this, Carlo. Wait. Well, yeah. Listen, Carlos has his own channel now, and he's going to put up Vito for jerseys on his channel, too. Maybe that's the ones where we're smoking. And then the one I just do, I do. I have to need somebody to hold the camera for me. Okay. This is Vito from Jersey. Salute.
Salute. Ciao.